Alright, hey guys, we're back with our first actual video doing something, and we'll show you what the plan is, go over it, and do a teardown.
That's what it's gonna be.
There we go.
Is that wrong? Okay. So here we have a 1985 Suzuki Quadrunner 250 that we will be taking the engine out of, all the wiring harnesses, everything, and then any other components that we could use off of this to put onto this. A side-by-side power wheels. But we have to do tubing on this, we gotta do framing, everything to make this thing structurally sound to hold a 250 engine and to make it run the way that did back in its day. So let's get to the teardown.
Alright guys, that is the end of our time lapse. End of the breakdown. Show you what we got done. So we got this all torn apart. The 1985 Suzuki 250 quadrunner. Eventually we'll get started on this, getting it ready for that motor. Got some wiring harnesses and solenoids and stuff we gotta save. We're gonna try to reuse these A-arms, gotta get new bushings, these control arms, brakes and stuff. Gonna get new springs and coils. Gonna have to do a tear apart of this. Hopefully nothing's wrong with it. See if we can do a few upgrades with it. Got the steering shaft that we're gonna keep. We're gonna add it to the build. Gas tank, we ain't quite sure about that yet. And we're gonna probably fabricate our own muffler. But that's it. We're gonna call it a video on that one. And thank you for being a part of part 1 of the series. See you next time. Peace.